folks. This is the look this morning. Not quite as nice as it was yesterday. Rained pretty good last night. Supposed to stop here about 8:30, 9 o'clock. About 7:45 now. It's clearing up over here in the east, which is the direction I'm going. So luckily I had shelter to get in. Met a couple of guys from Oklahoma and sat around the fire and talked. Carried on a little while. Anyway, get on down the road and I'll talk to you later. Morning, folks. About a mile down the trail or so. Here's where I'm going today. A lot nicer trail so far than yesterday. It was pretty tough. Cooler this morning, rained last night. Like I was telling you, rained pretty good actually. Supposed to stop. Not rain again until Sunday, so I hope that's the case. Try to do 13 today. I didn't do it. Couldn't do it yesterday. So I'll try to do it today for sure. Get sort of back on track. Anyway, I just wanted to show you this trail. I think these green rocks are pretty cool. Just, like I said before, they almost look like they glow. There's the valley down there. Rain cooled stuff off and got the fog working. All right, talk to you later. Well, there's the trail. See the blue blaze? The thing that's crummy about it is this is going to a campground with water. So if you want to camp with water, I guess you got to earn it. Been a beautiful day. Sun's been out all day. Just across the valley. That's back where the trail was I just came from. So I'll see you at camp. Hello folks, coming up on Winding Stair Campground 23.7 I believe it is. I'm going to show you this trail. This is some of the best trail so far. Kind of more pine trees and pine needles on the trail, not quite as many rocks. But we're still in Oklahoma, so there's rocks. I kind of look at it as Oklahoma rocks. And if you're not careful, very careful, you're gonna roll. I came up with that on my own. Talk to you later. Okay, made it to camp. There's my tent back there in the back. 13-mile day, 13.1. Wasn't bad, it's pretty good this morning, and it got a little bit tougher as the day went on. But fixing to cook me some supper, crawl in bed. Looks like I got sunburn, I was just noticing that. Oops, covered up my lens. What I wanted to show you was where I'm camped tonight. It's a good place that's got water. I'll show you that, and then I'll let you go and I'll talk to you tomorrow. There we go. Real nice creek running through here. Water's cold. I soaked my feet. Washed my socks and skivvies. Got on clean stuff for the next couple of days. They'll dry tonight, and then I'll have clean stuff in a day or two. Swap out. There it is. Goes way back up in there pretty far. Looking forward to getting a good night's sleep. I'll talk to you guys in the morning.